Hello everyone, Ian here, Country Clipper Zero Turn Mowers. Going to show you how to stand your deck up using the deck lift accessory. For starters, make sure you're on a flat, solid surface. We're going to cut the motor off, pull the brake up, make sure your front caster wheels are facing out. Now we're going to release the belt tension system. Take the belt off the back drive pulley. Now we're going to lower the deck to its lowest position. We're going to lock the deck into the lowest cut height position. At this point, we're ready to flip the latch to the rear. Take the pin out of the handle, lock it into the frame. Now we're ready to lift the deck, turning counterclockwise. Another way of standing the deck up is using a drill and a 5/8 socket, removing the handle from the lift. With under deck maintenance now complete, we're ready to lower the deck into the cutting position by going in reverse order. Now that the deck has been lowered to the lowest position, we're going to flip the latch forward, remove the pin from the frame, and lock your handle back into place. Then we're going to put the belt back on the drive pulley and put tension back on the belt with the tension system. At this point, you're ready to set your deck at your desired cutting height and begin mowing again. For more information, go to your local dealer or visit us at countryclipper.com.